Now that you've explored how to prompt for styles, it's time to learn a crucial skill for working with AI video tools: interpreting and refining what Veo gives you back. Even the most carefully worded prompt won't always deliver exactly what you had in mind on the first try, and that's okay. Veo is a collaborator, not a mind reader. Step 1. Review with purpose. When Veo finishes generating your video, don't just watch it, analyze it. Ask, did the AI capture the mood I described? Are transitions and pacing aligned with the story's energy? Is anything missing or overdone, like filters, motion, or effects? Make note of anything that doesn't feel right, even small details. Step 2. Diagnose the gap. If something's off, figure out why. Here's a breakdown of common issues and what they usually mean. Too fast or too slow. You may need to adjust video length or pacing language. Wrong emotion. Mood keywords might be too vague or missing. Generic visuals? Try specifying scene composition, actions, or camera behavior. Overstyled? Remove or soften stylistic prompts like filters or overlays. Step 3. Refine with targeted prompts. Once you've diagnosed the issue, revise your prompt using direct, actionable tweaks. For example, original result. Video is dramatic but too dark. Refinement prompt. Brighten lighting and reduce shadow contrast while keeping the dramatic orchestral score. Original result. Pacing is too slow. Refinement prompt. Increase clip transition speed by 30%. Shorten each shot to 2 seconds. Small refinements can have a big impact. Step 4. Use iteration wisely. You don't need to rebuild the entire prompt every time. Start with small changes. If something works well, lock it in and build from there. Veo also allows versioning, so you can A/B test different versions and choose the best result. Step 5. Know when it's good enough. Don't let perfection block progress. If your video tells the story, feels consistent, and looks clean, it's often ready to ship. You can always refine further for your next project.